welcome back to my channel. My name is Olay. How are you guys doing today? And I hope you guys are here to stay. Now, if you came from my last video where I showed you this, God bless, you're a real one. Thank you so much. I love you. But in today's video, I have something pretty exciting that I want to unbox with you guys today. It literally just came today and I was like, yeah, this video, I gotta do it today. I'm so excited. Like, I ordered it on the 29th of July, obviously, because I was so excited. I was like, I need to have this. Like, let's just get into it. So here with me I have the box. I just ripped off my information and all that. So I'm literally opening it with you guys. I have not opened it, with the exception of just ripping my info off. So let's get cracking. They really sealed this. Ooh. Do y'all see what that says? Fenty skin. Let me just take this out in case it has my info. I'm gonna slip up. But do y'all see? Fenty, hold the lights, hold up. They're not trying to make me be great. They don't want me to be great, no. Fenty skin, mommy. Fenty skin beauty, like. My God, yo. It's so beautiful. What? Oh my gosh. And it's bigger than what I expected. Hold on, do y'all see? Oh my God, it's so pretty. I'm not exaggerating, y'all. Okay, so I love facial cleansers, facial scrubs, facial exfoliators. Like, I have a bunch in my bathroom that I randomly choose from, like, that I use every day. I don't have a routine. I just, like, today I can use this one, the next day I can use that one. Like, it varies from, like, exfoliators, gel cleansers, foaming cleansers, jelly cleansers. Like, I'm so excited, y'all. Like, it's beautiful. The color alone, like, I love it. Do y'all see? Like, this is, hold up, this is like a Snapchat, Instagram. I'm back. I had my Snapchat, Instagram moment. I will link those in the description box. Go check it out. But yes, y'all, it's so beautiful. Like, first of all, I'm loving the color. Like, that lavender grayish purple look is so gorgeous. Like, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Now let's get into it. Now, here we have the Total Cleanser Remove It All Cleanser. And if you don't know, this is what I was most excited for. I did watch a lot of reviews, well, a lot of videos before it even, I don't know, but I did research is what I'm trying to say. And I heard good things about this, so I'm pretty excited to try it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love it. Like, every face cleanser or face scrub or exfoliator, whatever that I've used so far, it hasn't broken me out, or maybe I'm just not paying attention to it, but I haven't come across one that I don't like yet. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love this. And the sizing of the bottle, first of all, Rihanna, like, I love it. Like, you really get what you pay for. Like, it's not like no tiny size. This is a very good size. Like, this is my palm. I don't know if y'all could see. I don't know if it's gauging right for you to see the size, but it's beautiful. I can't get over this color. Like, I'm so for the color. Like, I love it. But yes, this is it. It's not open yet. That will be in another video where I'll actually try this for a week and come back for a review, or maybe I'll do it. I don't know, y'all, but I just can't get over it. It's so beautiful. But yeah, this is the Total Cleanser, and I will put the price of it on the screen so y'all can see the price by itself. I did get the whole bundle for $75, but yeah, this is the Total Cleanser. And yeah, so it says you can use it day and night to remove makeup, obviously, dirt and impurities, wet skin, working to lather. Y'all know all of that. I did recently come across one of Rihanna's videos on her Instagram where she said it serves not only as a cleanser but also as a makeup remover. So it's literally like a 2-in-1, which is great. 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 Yeah, I'm so excited to use this. Like, what? I will put it side by side on the screen so I can see the price and get into the specs. Get into the specs. Let me get out the way because this is the star of the show. This right here is the star of the show. Y'all see? And I love her logo. I love, oh, it's not focusing. Come on now. Don't be a hater. Come on now. Yeah, I can see it. I love it. It's so sleek. Oh my gosh, like, what the heck, man? It's so sleek. Everything of Fenty is always so sleek. Like, it's amazing. Like, I love it. Next product, we're getting into the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. Let me just give y'all, hold on, again, star of the show. They all stars of the show. This is beautiful. People were saying that it was like more thicker though, but I mean it's a serum, so obviously it's gonna be thicker. This is beautiful. Again, coming through with the sleekness, Rihanna. I love it. 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 And this one says you can use day and night as well on clean skin. Apply to your face with fingers, which is great because most toners you would need like a cotton pad or something. This one, apparently you just put on your fingers, rub it in, bada bing, bada boom, you good. But I don't know, I love the color. Like the color combo of everything is literally falling in place. Like we're seeing lavender and like light pinks here, lavender, light pinks, and she came through with it too. Like what? I love it. It's gorgeous. Like what? Oh my God. Like when I break the seal to use it, I would literally shed a tear. No joke. Like this is so beautiful. Like what? I definitely see myself restocking. Definitely see myself restocking. Again, I will put it on the screen so you can see the price individually and get into the specs, of it, get into the specs. Next thing is the Fenty Skin HYDRA VIZOR. And this right here is the moisturizer. And I like how, you know, they packed this up in its own box. That's really thoughtful. Here also shows you, apparently you can refill this. So it shows you when you get it, you just pop the insert out or you pop it in to use, bada boom, twist and close, bada bang, you know, like that. I really love it. So it says use every day, use every single day. No excuses. Rihanna's not playing with y'all right now. She's not playing with you guys. Please focus. Please focus. It says it right there. Have it a listen to Riri. Oh, so it says right here, light as air hydration, invisible sun protection, defends and brightens skin while reducing the look of pores, and it's oil free. It's made with care for coral reefs, does not contain oxybenzone or octinoxate. I think I said that right. I don't know what each of them are, but follow. This is gorgeous, y'all. Like again with the sleekness. I don't know. I really love her logo for the Fenty Skin. I don't know. I really like it. Come through with the sleekness and the purple. Rihanna just they kill my soul, man. They snatch everybody's souls. What? It says love your skin, respect the planet. Refill me, which is sold separately. Yeah, that's what it says. I don't know. I said wow. Oh, now I get why they put this, because it comes separate. So the insert and the tube come separate. So I'm gonna just pop those out and we're gonna try to do this. Let me put the box right here so I can see it, because if I break it, all hell is literally gonna break loose. So this is the insert that has the actual product. This is what you will pop out of this and just purchase this refill on its own. They do sell it separate, that I will also put on the screen. And I will also put this on the screen separate so y'all can see the HYDRA VIZOR together if you are just interested in just that. So this is the insert, and right here obviously contains the product. So following the instructions on the box, I'm just going to slip it in and see. So it says this dent part, they both have to face the front obviously. So I'm just going to put it Okay, you're supposed to hear that click, and it says twist the bottom to close. Oh, okay. Oh wow, y'all see how it come out? Okay, so there we go. So boom, you put the, look at me trying to be all techie and all gadgy. Okay, stop. So you put it in here like that. You hear the click. I heard the click. Then you twist the bottom and this part will go in. Oh. Okay, so you, okay. I feel so slow right now. You put it in, hear the click, and then you could just push your finger down to just lock it in place. But once this goes down, it's locked in place. And to take it out, you just do like that. Throw this out, get your refill, pop it, lock it. Bada boom, bada bang. Ooh, like it's so sleek and so pretty. Like Rihanna really came through. Like I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Fenty Skin, like you can always guarantee that you're getting your money's worth every single time. I'm trying to hold all three together. Okay. You're getting your money's worth. I need the Fenty Skin to show. You're getting your money's worth every single time for Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin. I mean, in my opinion, you're always getting your money's worth. Like, the products are a decent, good size, and it has enough product in there, just like her foundation, everything. Like, what? Rihanna really, ugh, I love it. Like, there's never a disappointment when it comes to Fenty Skin. Never. So yeah, this is my Fenty Skin unboxing and first impressions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys love it. Actually, don't like it, love it, because this is, I'm about to pack it back the same way it is. Like, and am I the only one that does this? Like, when I buy something, I would keep the box. I can't be the only one. I can't be the only one. Like y'all saw in my makeup video, like the Fenty Beauty foundation was still in its box. I can't be the only one that does that. Like, even the boxes for my Fenty glosses is still there. I got the boxes for all of them. I got the boxes. But yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed. This was my Fenty. So yeah, guys, this was my Fenty Skin my Fenty Skin unboxing slash first impressions. I really love it. It's getting a 12 out of 10 if I had to rate it, like I said before. 12 out of 10. I love it. This is one brand that I like 100% know that I will never be disappointed with. Never. And I'm so excited to try it. I will probably film that for you guys, do like a, you know, review how I like the how far or how much more I'm loving the products. Like, I don't gotta use it to know I'm gonna like it. And that, I don't know, y'all probably thinking like she's exaggerating, but I'm not. I really do love facial cleansers. Like, I know I can never like be disappointed. Toners, I don't really use toners like that, so I'm pretty excited to see how this plays out. Moisturizers, I do use the e.l.f. Daily Moisturizer in like the blue jar. I love it. I think I got it mainly because of the color. Like, blue is my favorite color, and also because it reminds me of like a water-based cleanser, which I think it is, but I love that. I use that every day. I have no complaints. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry, I keep moving around, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you did get the Fenty Skin, or if you plan to get the Fenty Skin, or if you don't know if you're gonna get the Fenty Skin, let me know down below. Let me know your thoughts. If you've used it, if you know, if you like it, if you hate it, let me know your thoughts down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shop my sites, okay? Everything will be in the description box down below. I promise this time everything will be there for you guys. Check the cards above, all of that. Check my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Follow my business Instagram. Follow my Pinterest. I'm on Snapchat. All of that good stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.